Build an online business without any skills, it can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Starting an affiliate marketing business can indeed be a great choice for many people. It's low cost startup, no product creation, flexible work environment and passive income potential. You have to follow just 3 simple steps to build your own affiliate marketing business. Number 1, join affiliate network and pick your niche. Number 2, make website or funnel. Number 3, drive traffic or start marketing. First thing first, you have to join a network and pick your niche. For example, if you want to love to promote physical product, you can join Amazon. And you can pick any product to make your online business. And if you want to love to promote digital product like product, software or tutorial, you can join different kind of marketplace such as AppSumo, ClickBank and Impact, etc. It's not too difficult, just do a quick research on Google or YouTube and join the network. The next step is making website or funnel. You can pick ClickFunnels or HubSpot to build your website or funnel. It's very popular and very reliable to make website. Then go to Upwork and try to find a expert funnel builder. For example, you can see I have got the 3 funnel builder on Upwork. So for your help, I will give all of their profile link on this video description. So don't forget to check it out. And the final step is marketing. Marketing means drive traffic from social media or search engine. You will get traffic and you will get sales. So without marketing, you can't get anything. So you can run Google ads, Facebook ads, etc. to drive traffic instantly. But if you want to do free marketing from social media, YouTube, video content creation, that will be a lengthy process. So that's why I always prefer to you as a beginner to run Google ads and don't run the ads by yourself because marketing is not too easy. So again go to Upwork and find an expert to make campaign for you. This is Adam Plummer and as you can see the top 1% expert vetted and top rated plus marketer. So and he already earned $1 million on Upwork and he have completed 268 projects with 5,288 hours. And you can see there most of the job success score is 5 star. And probably don't worry about their hourly rate because you will get the value. And the second one is the Elena. And you can see this is actually the storytelling expert. Actually she is working probably $100 per hour and you can see he has completed 218 projects on Upwork and most of them are 5 star. And the third one is email marketing expert. Email is one of the best traffic source for affiliate marketer and you can see he is actually number 1 email marketer on Elance and he actually completed almost 500 projects on Upwork and you can see his most of the job success score is 5 and you can also contact with them. So don't need to hire them instantly, just try to contact with them and try to discuss about your business model and I will give all the resource link on this video description. Million of expert people are working on Upwork and you have to select the best on your requirement. You can post a job on Upwork and make interview for a couple of them and find your right one. If you found this video was useful for you, don't forget to give thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then hit the subscribe button. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.